Hey guys, welcome to the new episode of 52 Week Challenge 2020. Guys, generally I am being asked that what is the best policy, to give or forgive, to get or forget, what we should choose. So guys, watch this episode. You're going to get a lot of messages out of it. And before that, like the episode and subscribe the channel. Guys, you might have heard that happiest people are not those who get the things, but those are people who give the things. So you have to decide that in which category you want to be. If you want to be happiest people, try give more to the society, to the world as much you can, and rather it should be more than what you are getting out of it. You know what, we can make a living by what we get, but we can make a life by what we give. So start giving. This is the best of the best policy. You know, I remember that my mother was always keep saying that you can do 3 things with the money you have, with the assets you have, okay? And those 3 things, it's in Hindi like that. You can do either daan, bhog or nash, okay? The first thing is daan, means you can donate, you can give away, you can help, you can support others by what you have, okay? The second thing is use it, daan. Then second thing is bhog. Bhog means at least consume it on yourself in your lifetime. Don't just keep on saving. Enjoy it, use it on yourself. If you don't donate and if you don't enjoy, the third thing is going to happen automatically. And third thing is destroy. It gets destroyed. So guys, it's not something that you use only on yourself, but you have to give it away as well. And you have to find an opportunity to give away something. And you know, people do ask me, no, I don't have appropriate income to give away something. Guys, you will never have appropriate income because there is no limit to the desires, but there is a limit to the need. When your need is get fulfilled, remaining all you can donate. But don't worry, don't donate all. But every time you can keep a portion of your income to give away. Maybe it's 1%, 2%, 5%, 10%, I don't know. But when you make a partnership with the world of 1% and 99%, then you are going to receive more out of that 1%. This is the world philosophy. And it's not only money. If you have a big heart, you start giving away everything. You can give a smile as well. You can give compliments as well. You can give nowadays in social media like and good comments as well. People are not even giving these things also. Forget about money. So guys, open your mind and start giving the things rather getting the things. You know what? We can better understand this thing by nature laws. There are 3 nature laws, okay? The nature law says that what you give, you will get, okay? If you want to get love, you have to give love. If you want to get money, you have to give money. If you want to get fire, you have to give fire, right? When you want to have fire from something, first you have to give fire to it to get fire. Same way in anything, what you give, that you get. The second law of nature says that when you give, then you get it. Means don't expect that first I want and then I will give. No, it's not going to happen. Okay, first you have to give, then only you're going to get out of it. Think about it. When you give one seed to the nature and when you give environment, water, manure, everything, then that one seed can give away so many of apples, you know. Can you find how many seeds are in apple? Yes, you can. You can cut out and you can count. But can you find how many apples are in one seed? You cannot, because that seed can give you so many apples. So second law of nature says that when you give, then only you will get. Third nature's law is that small you give, more you get. Okay? You don't have to give more, you have to give small, but you will get definitely more in multi-folds. So don't worry about what amount, what thing you're giving, because you are going to get multiple and multiple and multiple returns out of it. You know what, guys, life is very short, and don't keep the grudges with you. Don't keep the unhappiness moments with you. There were two good friends, Ram and Shyam, very good friends. And you know what? Something happened between them, and they started thinking negative about them, and they don't want to forgive and forget about each other. Guess what? They stopped talking, they stopped messaging, and slowly, they started behaving like an enemy. Years and years and years passed, and after 20 years, in the year of 2020, Corona came. And guess what? One of the friend, Ram, got Corona. He diagnosed as a positive and he hospitalized. And he was told by the doctor that maybe he will die. And he was so emotional. He was thinking, what should I do if I'm going to die? He was always having one thing in my mind, that he made a mistake not to talk to Shyam. So he want to forgive. He called Shyam. Shyam, I want to forgive everything because I'm going to die. Can you please come? He came, they discussed, and they met together, and they had a big time. They spent a couple of hours together. They cried and think about everything, all how they enjoyed the life, everything. And you know what? After that emotional moment, when Shyam was going to leave, so Ram said, listen, Shyam, this deal is going to work only if I'm not going to die. If I am living, then don't accept my friendship. Start forgiving and forget the people. Guys, forget the past mistakes. Count your blessings. Forget the troubles and count the opportunities. Forget the negativity. Count the positivity. Forget the problems. Count the solutions. Life is very short. It's not really to keep on negative things on your head. It's move on positively, and as you are light or light-minded, you can move freely and more in your life. So this is all about it today, and I hope that you like this message. If you have any comments, please let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next Friday, 7 p.m.